Let's take a break before we go to step 2 in our web design process, which is prototyping. I know you came to this channel for learning web design, but in this video, let's talk about baking instead. During this tough time where we are all locked inside our houses, a lot of us have chosen to improve our cooking skills. And I thought it would be really handy if I teach you how to bake a cake instead of making a website first. As with any dish that you're planning to prepare, let's pick the ingredients first to make our cake. I'm going to list them as follows: flour, sugar, edible oil, egg, which is optional, cream, and baking soda. So is it enough if I know the ingredients? I mean, I can put 1 kilogram of each ingredient, mix them nicely, and bake it to get my cake, right? I can hear a lot of you complaining about the load of trash I'm talking in the name of baking a cake. I know I need to be reading the instructions first. I should only take prescribed quantities of my ingredients, mix or stir them for predefined amounts of time, and bake them at the set temperature for the right duration. That's how you make a cake. Well, I notice a similarity with web design as well. To make our websites too, we need to know the ingredients first. Color, type, and images are the most crucial among them. In our next video, we are going to learn about these ingredients first, starting with color. But it isn't enough if we just know these. Similar to baking, we need to also read the instructions first of how to use our ingredients. We need to know the proportions and other rules behind how to make our website. We call these principles the principles of design. These principles are applicable for any user interface design, including websites, apps, or a game's UI. So see you in the next video. Give us a like to show your appreciation that you learned something new. Subscribe to the channel for future videos and keep that bell icon clicked to view them as soon as we publish new videos.